unfortunately, we've reached the end of DefCamp 2021. It's been such just a blur, but in a good way. So much has happened. So I have just since it's Thanksgiving in the States. It's not here, but we can still take this chance to say thank you for a couple of things. So through the tech troubles and personal struggles and this world that won't stop making our heads spin, I wanted to thank you that you're part of this community, and to let you know that we're here because, not to let you know, but to remind you that we're here to rely on each other, to lean on each other, and to have someone to talk to when we most need it. I wanted to give a big thank you to our tech team for powering through the internet outage that brought down the live stream for a couple of minutes. They delivered a lesson in resilience and the importance of backup and planning for crisis situations. They were able to recover and, deliver the feed live once again so fast and with such grace and kindness. So thank you to them. I hope you all get, much deserved rest tonight. Thank you to all of you, whichever way you contributed to making the first virtual edition of DefCamp a successful one, a place where humans meet and where we can all celebrate the power of internet and technology along with our individual contributions to it. And of course, thank you to our longtime partners whose teams really walk the talk when it comes to community involvement and community support. Orange Business Services, the main partner of DefCamp, Keysight Technologies, Sigika, Garrett Advancing Motion, SecureWorks, Electronic Arts, BitSentinel, Pentest Tools, and Siemens. If you want to keep building on the momentum that DefCamp gave you, please know that a virtual hacking village is still live until Sunday. So make sure to put all that energy to good use. We hope that next year we'll be able to meet again in person or at least in hybrid mode so we can enjoy some quality time together and feel that we're stronger and connected, and that this is something we do because we believe in the principles that sit behind our work. Again, thank you for making DefCamp 2021 a special edition that shows how we each contribute to the cybersecurity community and to society at large. I'm Andra Zaharia, and it has been a privilege to be your host this year. Thank you from me and the entire DefCamp team for being here, and I hope we meet in person soon. So have a good night and see you again next year.